Welcome back to the Millionaire Logistics YouTube channel. Here we talk about forex trading and we try to show you a strategy, how we trade the forex market, profits and losses, and show you exactly what we apply, in trading. And this particular forex strategy can actually boost your profit to making about 20 pips daily on a daily basis, consistently and profitably. So guys, if you like the idea, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section as we trade forex in Millionaire Logistics. So guys, welcome back to the Millionaire Logistics YouTube channel. Here we talk about forex trading and we try to show you a strategy, how we trade the forex market, profits and losses, and show you exactly what we apply, in trading. And this particular forex strategy can actually boost your profit to making about 20 pips daily on a daily basis, consistently and profitably. So guys, if you like the idea, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section as we trade forex in Millionaire Logistics. Now guys, looking at my strategy, okay, we're gonna back test this. Okay, we're gonna back test it from the 26th of December through to 29th of December, Friday. And guys, while trading this, I use a very simple concept. Okay, now first of all, I take cognizance of the trading sessions. Okay, trading sessions that I use, and most likely I'm very much inclined to trading the London trading session. London trading session, which starts by 9 a.m. currently Nigerian time. Okay, and on the chart time here, you see that's 10 a.m. 10, although on the chart time, that's the MT4 which I use. And then while at some time within next year, it's going to adjust to 8 a.m. All right. Now, I also take cognizance of simple market structure. All right. I want to know what the market is doing or what the market has done from the Asian session of that day to the beginning of the London trading session. All right. So I want to see a scenario where either the market is coming from a top, to a bottom, indicating a bearish sentiment before the London session, and then I want to trade a corrective move. All right, if I see the market at that time, that's if the London trading session starts at that time. Okay, on the other hand, I equally would love to see maybe the market making a bullish sentiment, perhaps going from the bottom to the top, from the Asian session to the beginning of the London session. So in this case, I want to trade a retracement move. If I get the market, if the London session starts at that time. So it's a simple market structure strategy I also incorporate. Now the third note is I make use of the Fibonacci tool. All right, Fibonacci tool, which you guys see here. As you can see, you see my Fibonacci numbers from 100% to minus 61.8. So this is the Fibonacci tool that I place on the chart. So you're going to see it as I apply it right here on our chart, and perhaps you're still going to see a couple of trades the way I build my sentimental bias to take a couple of trades which you may have come across on my YouTube shorts. All right, so guys, once again, if this adds value to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so right here on the 26th, guys, you can see the market was making a bullish print. All right, so I put my Fibonacci from the 100 right here to a bullish scenario, okay, to the 0.0, and this is exactly where the London session starts. As you can see, 10 a.m. in real time, 9 a.m. So from here, guys, I have it that if you look here, you can already see a bullish hammer, okay, indicating what a bullish sentiment or bullish momentum in the market. So this was exactly where I took my trade for off the 61.8, and then I targeted the 0.00. All right, and then my stop loss, guys, was placed below the 100 fib level. Okay, now why below the 100 fib level? Now, as a rule of thought, guys, if I take my trade from the 50 fib level, I place my stop loss below the 79.0. All right, I tried to go 2 steps below or 2 steps above the fib level, just as my own personal rule of thought. And guys, as you can see, the market did not bloom initially, but it came here, ranged around a little bit, and then from this point, guys, you can see though it encroached into the New York session, but profit was made off the straight. That's the most important thing. Okay, so then we went on to the next day. The next day right here, guys, looking at the market is clearly still giving the bullish vibe. Still giving the bullish vibe, guys. But now, guys, this is one more thing of note I didn't mention. Although the market is very dynamic, so there are some scenarios uh where I'm supposed to buy, but then I sell. Now that's because this is just a 15-minute entry setup. All right, I do get my bias off the 1 hour chart, which over time may be caused. Say by next year, I'm going to speak more about it. But mostly, I get my sentimental bias off the 1 hour chart, so the 1 hour time frame, and then somehow in this case, or in some cases which we're still going to look at later, the 1 hour chart gave me a kind of bearish sentiment. So in that case, I had to go bearish, regardless of what this simple rule of going bullish implied. But I'm gonna do as much as possible as share that view in future videos, or in the future I'm going to speak extensively about it. But in this case, guys, instead of buying at this maybe the market was at 38.0, but you can see it broke here, and there was a little there's a little support level which this candle here broke. Okay, so I simply went bearish, targeting just somewhere around here. I just put the market and then I entered the trade. If you check the YouTube shorts for this particular day, or my TikTok channel too, you would actually see exactly how I traded this market and how I went about it. And then the next day, pretty much on this market right here, you can see it clearly defined. Guys, I know a lot of persons may be surprised as to what this is. Okay, so now this is my special tool. All right, something I developed. I called it MLX IVT, that's Millionaire Logistics IVT. Okay, so this actually gives me further confidence. It's a tool I developed, and it's something I've been using for as long as. All right, so guys, we have here the same setup right here, bullish from the bottom to the top. So I'm looking at trading what? I'm looking at trading a retracement. Okay, and right here you can see clearly defined off this supply zone here, and then I entered the market pretty well and got off the 79.0 fib level. As you can see, this is more like the traditional setup that we're looking at. Okay, trading a corrective move. All right, although the market went further to the downside, but really not my thing, really not my interest. I'm just interested in what? Getting this simple profit off the market. All right, and then forging on to the next day, which is the final, guys. Clearly defined also. Now one more thing too, you can see maybe where that applied. See the market making a bullish sentiment, so definitely where we should have been looking at buying at that 50 fib level. But if I had bought here, you'd have seen the market collapse against you. Now this is because I still got my sentimental bias off the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour, maybe you can see what the 1 hour did somewhere around here. It may not be that visible, but let's look at it. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart right here, you can see that there's a bearish sentiment already here. You can see this huge bearish candle coming here, forming this supply zone. The smart money concept traders will want to come and re-enter at this point. All right, that thing. Okay, so but I'm kind of, my approach towards the market is fairly different, so I don't know. So at this point, guys, you can see that I was trading off for a bearish sentiment, and this was my setup right here. All right, so this was my setup. So what I simply did, guys, was I just waited to actually take the market off the most available resistance level, a small one, which is the 38. So as the market approached this 38, guys, I entered the market, and then I targeted my 20 pips, just got off the market. All right, knowing that it's kind of bearish, so I was expecting at least the next 1 hour to be bearish. at most, and I actually got that. So that was exactly how I approached the market for this last week. I'm sorry guys, I've not been creating content for like short long content. I've just been focusing on shorts, which mostly I'm going to try my best as possible, as much as I can, record my trades and post daily. And while weekends like this, we make a review of the trade with surrounding strategy to help you guys. So guys, if you find value in this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section.